Hi, can you
Hey,
close my door?
how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, good. So, spring break has been over, or is still going on?
Yeah, spring break is over now. I'm going back to school. I even started sports.
Okay. So, your school is started now, right?
Yep.
What's going on in your school?
Right now we started the mean, median, and mode.
Okay.
And I understand that, but for right now, we still are doing regions as well.
Mhm.
And for regions, I had a few questions. Not a few. I think I only had one. Let me just go through all of them. Yeah, I only had one, which I'll take a picture of right now.
Mhm.
All right, now
So, you have done mean, median, and mode, is it?
we are doing it, but I don't have any problem with it. I understand what's going on. Give me 1 second. I just put the cancel import photo. All right. Let me share my screen.
Just a minute.
Can
Just a minute. I have to. Now you can share your screen.
all right, screen, start broadcast. All right, here, this question. Can you see it properly?
Yeah. Answer the question in this part. Okay, cancel. It has a bank that sorts fines as they have brought into it. A panel on the front displays the total number of fines inside as well as the total value of the fines. The fines so 90 fines we have earlier. Okay? And yes, only collects
So
the
this you don't have to read.
yeah. Fines and targets. Write a system of equations two variables or increasing one variable that could be used to model this equation. Okay. So total number of points is 90, right? So 90
Yeah.
points are there. So let us suppose x number of x one kind and y another kind. So x plus y plus 90 points. And
Wait 1 second. Yeah, we did. We chose
yeah, and g plus d is 90 points and 10d plus
point.
2.5.
Okay. When
$17.55. Yeah, that are the correct simultaneous equations. What is the problem in that?
this question.
Using your equation as system of equation algebraically to determine the number of quarter status. Okay, so what to do? We can use either of the two methods, either by substitution method or elimination method. There are two methods to solve, in fact, four methods in total. One is graphical method, another is substitution method, and third one is elimination method. Fourth one is cross multiplication method. These are the four methods by which we solve simultaneous linear equations in two variables. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
So we can use either substitution or elimination method to solve these questions. How to do that? If we apply for elimination method, what we do, we equalize the coefficient of any one of the variable, any one of the variables. Just a minute. It's still the same kind of problem you see. You are not able to give me a note. So,
You were able to before, right?
yeah, I was able to write over there before, but now the same problem can be seen. Anyways, I'm going to.
Why can't I allow?
Okay, so we have two situations. One is z plus d equals to how many? 90.
Yeah.
Okay. This is one situation. Another is tan g plus, yeah, tan g plus 2.5d. Is it?
No. It's 0.1
Mhm,
D plus
mhm.
0.25.
So 0.1 d, d or g? Is it?
Wait. It would be point yeah, 0.10 and 2.5. D
2.5d.
and Q. D and Q, dimes and quarters.
Okay. So we have actually, just a minute. We have d times the quarters equals to 90 and 0.1d plus 2.5 quarters equals to $17.55. Is it?
Yeah.
So what we do?
Oh,
we,
wait. It's 0.25.
Okay, it's 0.25. Okay.
Yeah.
It is 0.25.
Because a dime is 10 and a quarter is 25. Like 25 cents and 10 cents.
So what we do? We multiply it by 0.1. So we will get 0.1d plus 0.1q equals 0.9 equals to 9.
What?
Okay. So what we do?
Okay.
We multiplied the whole equation of 1 by 0.1 to equalize the coefficient of dime.
Okay.
Okay. So we get the same coefficient over here. Then we subtract the whole equation. So if we subtract the equation, the sign gets changed. Okay. So this
All right.
will get cancelled. And from here, we have 0.25 minus 0.1. So we get actually 0.15. Okay. We get 0.0.15
equals
8.55.
18.55. Oh, sorry, 8.55.
Okay.
And this is Q.
So Q, yeah. So Q.
And then we divide.
So this will be, so if we divide by 5, 5 3s are 15, and this is 5 ones, 3, 7, and 1. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So again, this is the 5 times 15 and 3 7 times. So Q equals to 57. So how many dynes are there? 90 minus 57. Is it? So 57 plus 3, 60, 33. Okay.
So, ooh, okay, so then 57 quarters
and
then 33 dimes, right?
Yeah, 33 dimes.
Oh, okay. 1 second. I need to copy this into the paper.
Just a minute. Yeah, you can do that.
So, yeah. Give me a second. All right, yeah. So D plus Q equals 90 times 0.1, right? You get 0.1 D plus 0.1 Q equals 90. And then let me do 0.1 D plus 0.25 Q equals 17.55 over 0.1 D plus 0.1 Q, which equals 9. And then that gives us 0.15 Q equals 8.55 divided by 0.5 divided by 0.5. Q equals 57. And then 90 minus 57 equals 33, which is the dimes.
Okay.
And
Shall we move to next question?
yeah, okay. So the next question is, let me start broadcast. Dylan's mom told him that she would replace each one of his dimes with a quarter. If he uses all of his coins, determine if Dylan would have enough money to buy a game priced at $20.98 if he must also pay an 8% sales tax. Okay, so if it's 8% sales tax, we first would have to find 8% of that. So that would be 20. It would be like 20.98 times 0.8 equals, let me get my calculator. 20.98 times 0.8 equals 16. Oh, nope, that does not seem right. Would it 0.08?
Yeah.
20.98 times 0.08 equals 1.68 dollars as tax. So added on to that would equal $35.21. So then if 33 dimes were replaced with 33 quarters, it would be 33 times 0.25, which equals 8.25. And if they're 57 times 0.25 equals. So he would have
Yeah.
$22. So he can't pay because 22.50 is less than 35.2.
So she can pay. Yeah,
So he can't.
she can pay. Yeah.
1 second, let me just copy this down. All right.
Yeah. What next?
Mm. Oh, 1 second. Zoom. All right. Now I'm just doing other pages which I haven't finished yet. I don't know if I really need help on them, so I guess you could teach me something else to do with
Yeah.
median and
Yeah.
mode.
Sure. So I hope you must have studied mean and median for both grouped and ungrouped data, is it? Or you have just studied for ungrouped data? There are two types of data in statistics. One is ungrouped data. Ungrouped means only numbers are there. But in grouped data, we have class intervals like 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and in such a way. Okay?
I don't think we've done grouped.
I also think the same because that comes into 9th and 10th, in fact. Okay?
Yeah.
So let us talk about mean of data. Mean. So basically mean is denoted by x bar, that is equals to sigma fi xi. What is sigma? Are you aware of this sign? Sigma?
I know you've taught it to me before.
Okay. Just a minute. So the first and foremost definition of mean is sum of all observations. Sum of all observations upon total number of observations. Is it? Total number of observations. So suppose we have certain data like 2, 3, 5, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 1, 2, 5, 6, 5, 2. Okay, suppose we have these numbers. Okay, so we see that certain numbers are more than one time. Okay, one is coming how many times? One is coming 1, 2, 2 times. So we say frequency is 2. Fi, frequency, means repeating 2 times. Okay, 2 is coming how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So it is coming 4 times. Frequency is 4. 3. 3 is coming 1, 2, three times. And 4 is coming one time. 5 is coming 1 and 2, 3 times. Okay. So total number of frequency, that is called sigma fi. Sigma fi. Sigma means sum. This means sum. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So sigma fi is 2 plus 4, 6 plus 3, 9, 10 plus 3, 13. Okay. 13 numbers were there. So how to find the mean? Mean is sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Okay. So sigma fi xi. Here we have fi xi. So what we do, 1 into, this is xi into numbers. Xi is numbers given, data. 1 into 2 is 2, 2 4 is 8, 9, 4 into 1 is 4, 5 into 3 is 15, and sigma fi xi is 8 plus 2, 10 plus 9, 19, 23, and 33 plus 5, 38. In total, it is 38. So we have sigma fi xi is 38, and total number of observation is 13. So this will be the mean. Okay, so this is the mean. And there are we can find the mean for group data as well. If the data is given in the group, let us take some questions on mean. Just a minute.
So, I mean, I already learned about like mean, the mode, and like the median.
Yeah.
So I know how to calculate mean.
So what there are 4 methods to calculate mean. In fact, you must have studied just one method, that is sum of observation upon total number
Divided
of
by,
yeah. There are other 2 approaches to find the mean for group data. Let us take some questions on mean, median, mode. Yes. Suppose we have a question. The given table shows the scores obtained by different players. Are you able to see the screen?
yep.
Asma? Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
there is an example. The given table shows the scores obtained by different players in a match. What is mean, median, and mode of the given data? Okay. So this is a simple form of data that are given in the table. So uh, runs is scored by different players. Uh, given the mean is given by x bar, and again this is sigma xi upon n. N is total number of observations. So basically we have mean equals to sum of observations sum of observations upon total number of observations. Total number of observations. So we have some can be written as sigma xi I equals to 1 to n. What does it mean? From 1 to n numbers, x equals to 1 to n, and could be any number in fact. Divide by sigma fi means how many total number of observations are there. In denominator, we have total number of observations. Okay, so this will give us the mean value of the data. Okay, so for ungrouped data means only a number, some numbers are given without repeating it. Then what we do? Suppose we have to find the mean of 10 natural numbers. How will we find the mean of 10 natural numbers? So we will find the sum of numbers, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on
Plus
to
4.
plus 10. Yeah, plus 10 divided by 10. So this will be the mean of 10 natural numbers. Okay.
Okay.
So we will find like 10 into 11 by 2 and 10. It becomes 5.5. So mean will be 5.5. And how to find the median and more? What is median? Median is actually the middle value of the data. Okay. Median is actually central tendency, or
oh yeah, the central tendency. Yeah.
or the middle value of the data. Okay. So how to find the median? To find the median, we have to know the total number of observations. Suppose total number of observation is 100. Okay. So let us take the same example that we had taken earlier. Suppose we have the same data. These are the data 80, 52, 40, 52, 71, and 6. And suppose we need to find the median of the data. For finding median, first we arrange the data into ascending or descending order. Okay, we arrange data in ascending,
Least to greatest.
yeah, descending order. And then we try to find the middle value of the data. So how to find the middle value? If suppose total number of observations are n, and if n is odd, okay, suppose total number is 17, 17 is odd, then what we do? Then n plus 1 by 2th observation will be the median value. N plus 1 upon 2th value will be the observation will be the middle value. So if we have n equals to 17, then 17 plus 1 upon 2th. So 18th observation, 18 upon 2, sorry, 18 upon 2, which is 9th. So ninth observation will be the median of the data. Okay. So these are the basic definition of mean median. Now, what is the mode? What is the observation which is coming most often in the data, in which is coming most number of times, right? Suppose we had taken, suppose we have this example, this one. This is the data, and we have to find the mean, median, mode, and range of the given data. So what is mean of the data? Mean is what? Sum of observation upon total number of observation. Okay. So what we will do, we will find the sum of all the observation and divided by the total number of observation. A number of observations is 20. So we shall divide by 20. We got 70.95. This will be the mean value. Okay. And what is the median? For finding median, first we have arranged the data in ascending order. Asna, are you there? So we have arranged the data into ascending order of given observations. Okay. So we have arranged the data into ascending order. Total number of data is 20. So 20 is what? Even or odd? Even?
It's even.
Okay. 20 is even. So if n is even, then median will be n by 2th. Okay. And n by 2 plus 1th. Right. Means two observation will be the observations will be the median. So n by 2th plus n by 2 plus 1th divided by 2. So n is 20. So 20 upon 2 is 10. So 10th observation plus 11th observation divided by 2. So if we see, we find that the 10th observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 69 and 11 is 70. So what we do, we find the mean value of 69 and 70, which comes to 69.5. And this will be the median of the data. Okay. This will be the median. Now coming to mod. Mod is what? The observation which is coming most often, which is coming most number of times in the data. Okay. So the most frequently occurred value in the given data is 53. So 53 will be the mod. And what is the range of the data?
The range is the highest number subtracted by the lowest number.
Yeah, range is highest value minus lowest value. Okay, range of data. Now, this was the simple approach to find the mean, median, and mode for the ungrouped data. For ungrouped data. Okay, if the observations or data are given in grouped, it means
Yeah.
given in interval, then finding mean, the approach to finding mean, median, and mode will be different. Okay, so how to do that? We shall take some questions on that. Okay, just a minute. You have access for Khan Academy.
Yep.
If we can go for some questions from there. They have standard questions on the topic. So you can share that and we can explain. We can do some questions from there also.
All right.
What is the mode of the following numbers? Obviously 6, because 6 is coming 2 times.
More often.
Yeah.
Then the median would be 6, 7. Wait. You do 6.
But we have to
7.
arrange into ascending order. Then we have to find the median.
Yeah. So then 8.
8. Yeah.
Isn't it checking? Check. Question: what is the arithmetic mean of the numbers? So you do 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1 equals 11 plus 9 equals 20 plus 3, 23 plus 8, 31 plus 3 equals 34 plus 5, which equals 39 plus 10 equals 49 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Am I doing? Did I?
5 point.
What is it?
This will be 5 point something.
Wait, let me get my calculator. 49 divided by 9. 5.4.
Yeah. That is 5.4.
All right. Then mode is 10. 6. 13 plus 6, 19, 22, 28 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 28 divided by 6.
4.6.
Yeah. All right. Mode. 8.
Yeah. Check some difficult questions. Next level.
Oh, we were talking about outliers. I don't know if I'll be able to do this. Oh, we were also doing this. Yeah. The following table shows the number of innings pitched by each Greenberry Goblins starting pitchers during the Rock Bottom tournament. If the mean of the data set is 8 innings, find the number of innings Bradley pitched. So it'd be 11 plus 12 plus 7 plus 3 plus x equals 8. No.
Divide
8
by
times.
numbers.
All right. So then we do 40 minus 11 equals 29 minus 12 equals 17 minus 7 equals 10 minus 3 equals 7. So x equals 7. So 7 innings. Okay, yay. All right. Okay, so if the mean of the data set is 35 apples, find the number of apples on the Granny Smith tree. So 34 plus 29 plus 36 plus x. 35 times 4 equals 35 times 4 equals
140.
140. Yeah, equals 140. So 140 minus 34 equals 106 minus 29 equals 77 minus 36 equals 41. All right. Okay. If the mean of the data set is 3 puppets, find the number of puppets marked by 1, 4, 3. So 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus x equals 12. 12 minus 8 equals 5. Wait. 12 minus 8 equals 4. 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. All right. Yeah, I think I understand.
Yeah. You see, it has a wide range of things. You are in at just first level. Okay.
Yeah, just the first level. Yeah.
So mean has finding mean has 4 different methods. We are doing the basic level of finding the mean.
Yeah, where you add and then.
In group data, we have 3 methods: direct method, assumed mean method, and another one is step deviation method. In step deviation method, we have to find ui equals to xi minus a upon h. A is assumed mean, h is class size, and then we find fi di upon summation sigma fi. So that are different methods, in fact. So we are at first level only. So go to the next question. Next level.
I don't really know. These are all videos.
Okay. There is no question.
Here, these are challenge problems. Oh wow. Okay. Chucky grabbed 12 items in a grocery store that each had a different price and had a mean of a cost about $7.41. One of the items was an entire wheel of cheese that cost $39. Okay. Chucky then decided to put the wheel of cheese back and only bought the other 11 items. How will removing the cheese affect the mean and median? Both the mean and median will decrease, but the median will decrease by more than the mean. No, but the mean will decrease by mean, right? Yeah. Liam works at a zoo. He's looking at some data showing the masses of their 5 African elephants. The mean mass of the elephants was 3,800 kg, and the median mass was 3,600 kg. The smallest elephant, named Lola, weighed 2,700 kg. Then Lola got very sick and lost weight until her mass reached 1,800 kg. How will Lola's mass decreasing affect the mean and median? Both the mean and median will decrease. The mean will decrease and the median will stay the same.
Yeah.
All right. Anna played 4 rounds of golf and then played her lowest round of golf, which was a score of 80. The scores of the first 4 rounds and the lowest round are shown in the following dot plot. How did the lowest round affect the mean and median? The median, no. The mean decreased and the median increased? No. I don't know what to answer.
Can you show me the scores of the first 4 rounds and the
Okay,
lowest?
yeah, so it's 80, 90, 92, 94, 96. Oh, so then if this is added, right? So if it's just this, right? Then the average is higher.
Increasing, yeah.
But the 80 makes it go down. Then for the median, it's 93. But if you add this, it goes to 92. So median also goes down. Yay.
All
right, one more. A small accounting firm has 4 accountants who each earn a different salary between $50,000 and $60,000, and a 5th accountant who works part-time for tax season and earns $10,000. A firm decides to get rid of the part-time accountant and keep the other 4 salaries the same. How will getting rid of the part-time accountant affect the mean and the median? Both the mean and the median will increase, but the median will increase by more than the mean. So
10,000 in the mean will definitely decrease because $10,000 has been it's been $10,000 has been removed from the data. Okay, so from the side to get rid of the part-time accountant and keep the other 4 salaries the same. Okay, other 4 salaries are the same. So definitely mean will decrease. And what about median?
The median will increase.
See.
Because it would go like 10,000, and then it would be like something between like 50,000, right? It's like 50,200 or like 50,300, and then it would go on, right? So if the median was this, right, with the okay, wait 1 second. Give me 1 second. How do I? All right. So if it was like 10,000, and then it was like 5,200, 50 to 300, 50, 500. Right?
Yeah.
So if it was just this, the median would be like over here, right? But if it was this too, it would be like just this. So this over here is greater than whatever this number would be, right?
Yeah.
So then, no, but the median will no. Wait. Oh, yeah. But the median, oh, that's not the answer. But the mean and median will increase, but the mean will increase. Oh, yeah, but the mean will increase. This shit, yeah. I don't really know what I should do now. I think I understand.
So there are 2 other things. Let us take some examples. suppose we have some group data, like suppose we have question, find the mean weight of 20 students for the following suppose we have weight is suppose 50 to 60 to 70, 40 to 50, and 70 to 80 to 90. Okay, so these are the range of values. So these are called class interval. Class interval. And suppose frequency is the observations, repetition of observations. You may understand like that. So between 40 to 50, suppose 3 students are there between 40 to 50. 2 students are there between 50 to 60, and between 60 to 70, suppose we have 5 persons. Okay, 7 persons, and 3 persons. Okay, so these are the frequencies. Sum of frequency is what? 20, obviously. 10, then 20. Yes, 20. So in the next column we find sigma fi xi. So what is xi? So if for ungrouped data, xi is the observation itself, but for group data, it is called class mark. Xi is what? Class mark. Class mark. And that is noted by xi. Got it, Asna? For group data,
Class mark is xi.
yeah. For ungrouped data, xi is the observation itself. For group data, it is the middle value of the given interval. Okay. So what? Yeah. What is the middle value of 40 and 50? 40 to 50, that is
like
45. 45. Yeah.
Is xi.
Yeah.
If it was ungrouped.
Yeah.
No.
Group
Yeah.
data. Yeah. And
So yeah,
this is
grouped.
55. This will be 65. This will be 75 and
then
85. Okay. So this is xi. Then what we do? We find fi xi. Fi xi means we multiply these two things. Okay. So this becomes suppose 135. This is 110. This is okay. This is fi xi. What we do in the next level, we find the sum of these fi xi. So total fi xi, this is called sigma fi xi. sum of so this will be 5 plus 5, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 4 ja 20, 2 plus 3, 5, plus 1, 6, plus 2, 8, plus 2, 10, plus 5, 15, 1, 1, 2, 3, 6, 11, 13. So total sigma fi xi is sum of these all and divided by total number. So mean for group data is sigma fi xi upon sigma fi, which is 1350, and sigma fi is total number that was 20.
Mhm.
So this will be the mean value. So this is one of the methods that is called direct method to find, direct or shortcut method. This is also known as shortcut method. Okay, there is another approach to find mean as well. Suppose here we can see that 5xi is coming large numbers. Okay,
Mhm.
fi is coming large numbers. Then what we do? We take a middle number. Suppose we take any middle number. Suppose we take 65. We choose any middle number, that is 65, and we have considered it as a assumed mean. This is called assumed mean. Assumed mean. Okay. So in the next column, we find xi minus a, which is called ui or di. Di equals to xi minus a. Okay. We find xi minus a. Got it?
Mhm.
And then, so if we find the xi minus a, so 45 minus 65 is what? Negative 20. So we have negative 20, and here it is negative 10, 65, 0, 75 minus 65, 10, and here it
Wait,
is 20.
so wait. If
What we have done, 45 minus 65, 55 minus 65. So in each and every term, we subtracted this assumed mean number.
okay. Oh, because it's in the middle, right?
Yeah, it's in the middle. So we have
Okay,
taken,
yeah.
so we have subtracted this value. See, mean is what about central tendency. So it is the difference between the central number at and of the observation.
All right.
So now in the next column, what we do, we find dixi. So what is dixi? So now xi is what?
XI is
Not dixi. It is actually fidi. Fidi. It is actually fidi in frequency into Fi di. So frequency into the di. Frequency was 3257. This one. So this will be what? 3 into negative 20, negative 60, 2 into negative 10, negative 20, 5 into 0, 0, 7 into 10, 70, and 3 into 20 is 60. Now we find the sum of this FIDI. Sum of FIDI equals to 70 plus 60, 130, 130 and negative 80 is what? 50. So it is 50. So now it has become the smaller number as compared to previous one. So suppose we have very large numbers in statistics, then we try to find the mean by assumed mean, and even the number is more larger, then we apply step deviation method to find the FIDI. So we have mean equals to sigma Fi di upon sigma Fi plus A assumed mean. So sigma Fi di is 50. Total number of observation were 20, and assumed mean we had taken what? 65. Is it, Asna?
Mm-hmm.
So what is the mean now? Mean is 2.5 plus 65, which comes to 67.5. Is it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Previously we had got the same thing. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the second method to find the mean. There is another method as well, which is called step deviation method. We will learn in the next class. Okay. Another method is step deviation method. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Anything else that you want to discuss with me?
No, not that I can't think of anything at the moment. But next time when I get practice,
Okay.
all like the regions, I'll finish all the work and then I'll ask you questions so that if I have any, I can ask you.
Yeah. So how the things are going on in USA? Because once again,
Things are going good.
Okay.
Some kid in our the high school, he had a party, and because of that, a lot of kids got COVID. So now a lot of drama is happening because of it. He was not being smart. It was a very bad idea.
Once again, the